Good afternoon, everybody. Today you are joining Daisy and I from a pretty
slow-moving traffic jam on the A303 because we are heading to Stonehenge. So Daisy and I haven't been to Stonehenge in... How long ago were we at Stonehenge?
Probably like 2 years, 3 years.
Yeah. Which is a shame really, because we live super close. We live so close in fact that we get a free residence pass. So we're going to try and use that today because Stonehenge is, you know, a huge tourist attraction. It welcomes hundreds of thousands of visitors from all around the world, and yeah, we thought we'd go and have a mooch around. Now, one of the reasons lots of people don't go and have a look at Stonehenge because you can see it very, very close to the road, which we're going to show you in a minute. So all along this stretch of the single carriageway, it always gets snarled up because people slow down to stop, take pictures, because as you're about to see any second now, we are really, really close to the road, so you can really see Stonehenge. So we're going to go into the car park, have a look at the visitor centres, go down to the stones, because we think it might be worth more than a drive-by. Right, so we're now coming up on Stonehenge, so we've gone into the single file bit of traffic, but if you can have a look over there, that's how close we are to the stones. So, you know, super close, which is why most people, when they drive along here, if they're tourists or if they're on their way through to Cornwall, they'll stop and they go, yeah, we've seen Stonehenge, tick. So yeah, we're gonna head on down to the visitor centre, have a mooch about, see what it has to offer. We'll see you at the stones.
Into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So that's it, parking was super easy.
Yeah.
Sun's coming out as well, which is nice. And we're here sort of later on in the day, so I think we're here just before the last entrance into the visitor centre goes on. But yeah, here's a look at the visitor centre, and there's some sort of hut things sort of over there, so not sure what they are. Let's go and have a look. we've just used our residence passes. Service was
It's really good.
first class. We've got all our bits and pieces, so we're going to have a look in the museum, and I think we are going to be really lucky with the weather because it is beautiful.
I like it.
Right, so we're heading into the exhibition.
Yeah.
Every staff member that we come across, first class. Ooh. So we've just walked into the exhibition bit. This is what you're greeted with. It's really atmospheric.
So we want to get the cruises. I know, it must be amazing.
Waiting for him to move, like blink.
Right. You're like, oh.
That's good. Yeah, did you see me? You see the
Yeah, it must have been what Woodhenge is like.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
So this is the famous stone that didn't make it. They just ran out of puff right at the end.
If you knock on it, it echoes. Yeah, it's not real.
What? It's not real?
I hate to bring it to you. Sad times.
Right, Daisy. Press to start. We're going to see how strong you are.
I don't think I can do it.
2 hands. I'll give you a go. Ready?
I mean...
Oh. That's going nowhere. Oh!
Welcome to my crib. TV cribs.
Nice. So yeah, this is one of the huts they've got set up. This is a new range of beds by Hypnos.
Yeah.
Minimalist.
Yeah.
So we've got some nice IKEA bits and pieces here.
Yeah.
But this is really cool. Okay, so we had a look at the exhibition and we've just had a look at some of the huts. So now, including with our resident pass, we get a use of the shuttle bus down to the stones. There's the option of an sure they'll come fairly regularly. I think you can walk as well, but there is the choice of an audio tour, which we've declined because, you know, we'll have a chat with you guys and have a look at the stones. So we're going to hop on the, on the shuttle. I think there's a door up here. It's cool. So we made it onto the bus. Everything's like super slick. Service is excellent. We popped in the gift shop. Yeah, getting a bus down to the stones. As you get the bus down, there's like an audio tour, like an audio talk, which is great. You can stop off halfway to go and do like another sort of historic walk. Yeah, it's really good. The coach was great. They've just dropped us off here. They had USB charging points on the coach, which was really good. Yeah, spotlessly clean. Every member of staff that we're coming across is first class. Really, really slick. So this is great. So we're just going to have a wander around, look at some of the information. But yeah, beautiful day in the Wiltshire countryside, Dazo. So these little numbers with the headphones next are prompts. So if you decide to take the audio tour, every little prompt that you come to, you press your audio tour and it takes you on to the next bit. So literally as you go round, it will describe what you're seeing, which is pretty cool.
Hello emotions, hello again. As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, my love, reform.
Yes, I know we're one to talk because of what we're doing. However, that was selfie central back there.
Yes.
But yeah, it's really cool. So we made it about halfway round. It's pretty quiet. But one of the little known facts about English heritage is their continued investment into quite a niche area really, and that is their animatronics. So what you'll find scattered around the heritage site are super realistic sheep. They look real.
God, they're eating the grass as well.
I know.
And the grass is like disappearing as they do it.
Yeah.
Really. That is new age technology right there.
It is new age technology.
Yeah.
So yeah, the sheep are great.
Call it off and don't look back. Take me off this low.
Okay, so we had a wander around the stones. Saw the animatronics on the sheep was just next level. Never seen anything quite like that. So we're now heading back to the coaches, and then we might grab something from the cafe. Daisy fancies cake. And I could do with a coffee, so that'd be good to see. So we're going to hop on the bus. There's a couple of buses here. We'll see you next time with a bit of cake.
Something.
These t-shirts are cool, and the hats are cool. Bit of Stonehenge merch.
The glass in a wow.
It's like the Earth sun.
Is that the Earth sun? That's cool. Which one?
Painting sort of.
These are cute. Nice, lots of local stuff.
And that peanut butter looks good.
Cake. It's nice, isn't it? So we're just on our way out. Gonna sign off a bit by the car. But as we're walking out along the car park, towards the car park, someone's done this. They've just taken some stones. Good job. Well, that was it. That's our quick tour of Stonehenge. From the moment you turn up here, the customer service is spot on.
So cool.
It is a bit chilly. It is what it is. You know, it's some stones, nobody really knows why they're there, but they really have done the best that they can do with that. And if you are planning to do it, definitely do it. Don't just drive past and say Stonehenge, tick. Don't do that. Pull in, because we've done the whole thing and we whizzed round in an hour and a half, so you could do it properly in half a day. Easy peasy. So if you are coming to the area, if you're traveling from overseas, Stonehenge is a winner. The as I say, the service from start to finish is great. The way that the bus runs is, we didn't wait for a bus, they just keep coming round and round. And the merch is like, the merch was super cool merch. So the gift shop was brilliant. Yeah, and if you are coming here, make sure you visit Stonehenge, because there is something weird in the air around here. The landscape is super dramatic, always mega clouds. Yeah, there is something definitely going on here. So I'm just going to give you a quick spin of the area and then we're off. Really hope you enjoyed this. Daisy, don't get in the car yet. We really hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
I'm so cold.
Get in the car, you.